Go. Okay. Good morning, my student. Today we are going to talk about how to suggest and how to offer suggestion for kalimat aktif dan kalimat negatif.
Ya, oke.
Okay, we are going to try to make an example how to use suggestion. For example, the word is why who why don't you? This is one of the word that you are going to make the suggestion. Why don't you? And the next is by using let's. Okay, let's. Dan juga kita menggunakan would you mind? Would you? Not would you mind? Would you like? Okay, would you like? Coba stop dulu.
Oke, saya punya 3 bentuk tulisan. Jadi, kata why don't you gitu misalnya. Let's misalnya gitu ya. Would you like? Saya perbesar ya. Nih, ini adalah bentuk gak capek-capek bikin
Nanti
animasi.
hasilnya juga ngegedein sendiri.
Iya.
Coba.